In this episode, we braved rolling thunderstorms, cast our lines in the rain, and watched nature put on an incredible lightning show over the lake. Stick around, this one's got it all.
Hey, I'm Rodney.
And I'm Cindy.
And this is our dream of leaving the comforts of a mainstream lifestyle to live like pirates. Cindy joined me as first mate, and we have been unstoppable ever since.
Rodney and I have set ourselves to a new adventure each week as we're learning the ropes of being a sailing couple.
Each season, there are plenty of things to do to get the boat ready and get out on the water.
When we're not working, we're creating food and drinks from the galley and searching for adventures around the docks with friends and locals.
Be sure to hit the subscribe button and join us on our way to more sailing and adventures as we sail into Nirvana.
The day started peacefully. The lake was glassy and still, almost too still. Off in the distance, dark clouds crept in from the west, a quiet warning of what was to come.
Shifting with the tide, hiding from the light of day. Letting go.
Rain came and went in soft bursts, but by late afternoon, the atmosphere had changed. The wind picked up and the skies grew heavy. We could feel the storm building around us. One of our favorite things is watching the rain dance on the lake's surface. There's something mesmerizing about those tiny ripples in the stillness.
Loving you is just like surfing on a tidal wave. Lost in one another, hoping never to be found. Loving you is just like surfing on a tidal wave. Roll around forever till we both come crashing down.
We set out our fishing lines, hopeful that the weather wouldn't scare off dinner. Rain or not, we were determined to catch something.
Loving you is just like surfing on a tidal wave. Coming up for air, I swear we're just about to drown. Loving you is just like surfing on a tidal wave. Heavy on my mind, levees breaking currently. Never thought that I'd find myself so lost at sea. Letting go, take control over me. Undertow, getting close.
While I prepared dinner down below, the skies prepared something of their own. A light show we won't soon forget.
Loving you is just like surfing on a tidal wave. Lost in one another, hoping never to be found. Loving you is just like surfing on a tidal wave. Roll around forever till we both come crashing down. Loving you is just like surfing on a tidal wave. Coming up for air, I swear we're just about to drown.
As night fell, flashes of blue and purple lit up the clouds, turning the horizon into a flickering silhouette. Thunder rolled in the distance, not threatening, but powerful and strangely soothing. were lucky the main storm tracked just north of us. Had it shifted, we'd have battened down the hatches and ridden it out below deck. But instead, we had front row seats. We kept a close eye on the radar. The Weather Service issued a warning, winds up to 55 miles per hour, half-inch hail, and a tornado watch until 10 p.m. We were ready to react, but for now, we just watched. Rain or shine, we weren't giving up. We were going to fish until the last light faded or the storm made us stop, whichever came first. The lightning intensified, each strike brighter than the last. And just as the storm put on its show, we sat down for dinner, still waiting on that fish. Some days on the water are calm, others are electric. This one had a little bit of both. Thanks for joining us. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next adventure.
We're just about to drown. Loving you is just like surfing on a tidal wave.
Man,
It's been raining all day.
And yesterday.
Yeah, we were going to have a little open house, but we're going to have to postpone that to a later date. But we did do some fishing all day, but all we were doing is feeding the fish.
Pretty much.
So, we're back here at the table once again.
To feed ourselves instead of the fish.
And we didn't have any catfish on the table. So.
Sadly.
Okay. I fought the lake and the
Lake won.
Okay. Damn. Well, we do have some, at least we have some Reaper sauce today.
I'm going to stick with the Tabasco, the jalapeno Tabasco.
The jalapeno Tabasco,
yes.
Okay. And so we've got the stuffed jalapenos, bacon wrap, and some Cajun shrimp here. We got some guac, homemade. And we've got some sour cream and onion chive dip.
That looks good. I'll eat that.
Right.
Yeah.
All right. So we got some pork skins out here and some celery on a salad. Cheers.
Cheers.
Thanks for watching, guys. And we'll be back next time on
Sailing into Nirvana.